we got this dude in, and yeah, it's got some pretty wicked looking stuff on it. And just unpackaged it, and now we're gonna open that bad boy up. USB, a small box. I'm not exactly sure what's in there. Probably the battery pack. Yes, battery pack. The stand itself. Pads for the Xbox One, which is One S. Pads for the Xbox One X, and yeah, the instruction manual, and this badass little joint. Plus these little charging lights right here. They tell you when it's charging or it's not charged. So we're gonna see how that looks. There's 12 slots on the one side for games, which I should probably just take to a grinder and grind the hell right off, because you ain't gonna end up using those. The pads that come with this to put in here, basically alongside the fans. Yeah, that's basically double-sided tape. Our whole system is white, but we got one of the black controllers because I like black. So what are you gonna do? And here's one of the rechargeable battery packs that go into this thing. This looks very much like the other one that we had, except that one has the little tabs on the bottom, and these guys got the tabs on the back like that. So they're not interchangeable, which kind of sucks, but you know, well. Go to where the tab's at down below here, push back there like that, and then just stroke it in. Quite close to where we're going to be at with the Xbox. And here we go with the USB port. Ooh, call that cocaine, holy crap. Oh, psych. It's drywall mud. I'm working on another room. Now the cord seems to be just long enough to go up to the top of the Xbox console. But as you can see, I mean, it's quite literally very close in height. So let's see what it looks like. I think it's gonna look kind of tacky, but that's okay. We'll see what happens there. Got the Xbox. It fits very snugly in there. I mean, it is tight. Not tight, bad tight, but tight, like, you know. Damn, girl, that's you know, tight. Anyway, it feels good. Doesn't rock back and forth too much, which is really cool. It's gonna help out a long ways. So let's see what happens with this cord. Go ahead and take that and plug that in. And ooh, damn, that thing fits. Man, that is ugly. I guess I could put it in the back. Only thing though is I'd like to have those charging ports. So there's no way to actually switch it over. But let's see what that fan sounds like here. Fan setting number 1. That's not very loud at all. That's it. That's all it's got there. And the USB hub sort of hubs out. So if you have to plug in the other charger, you could, which we do have. We have the Osman charger here. So that was this. That's the OIVO X1 series multifunctional cooling stand for the Xbox One, Xbox One S, and the Xbox One. Yeah, it's not too bad, even though it has you know, PUBG in the back there. There is no PUBG, so don't think that there is. I will list a link down below where you can get it at Amazon. We're gonna test this thing out like crazy, see what happens. Get this fan going, keep it going as fast as we can. I guess that's only one setting. See how well it keeps it cool, man. Keeps it cool. Hopefully we get some good gameplay without any glitching. Alright, man. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, come back and visit. Maybe in 6 months we'll do a follow-up and see how this thing lasted. Everybody get your hands up.